Hello everybody, it's Mr. Burgess here, and I'm sitting outside. It's a beautiful day. Why not do math outside? Today's challenge is, can you find pi? Now you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some circular objects. So I've got a roll of tape. I've got 2 plastic containers. Those are my 3 circular objects. And to help me out, I'm going to need a pen and paper or a pencil, a ruler, some scissors, some string, and either glue or tape. One or the other, doesn't really matter. Okay, in order to do this activity, the first thing you have to do is trace each of these objects onto your piece of paper. So I'll just do one as an example. I'm going to trace my roll of hockey sock tape onto the page. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is cut it out.
I'm going to cut out this shape and
cut it out. Now I'm ready to measure a few things. I want you to measure the diameter and the circumference. So for the diameter, it's the distance, remember, across the circle. This is easy to do if you first fold your circle in half, which is why I cut it out. I'm going to try to carefully fold it in half, make a nice crease, and then draw the diameter across the circle right on the fold. I'm just going to draw a line like this, and it's going to be a bit bumpy because I'm outside, but that's okay. There's my diameter. Now I have to measure that, okay, with a ruler. You can do this in millimeters or in centimeters, whatever you have. If you don't have a ruler, your phone has an app called Measure. Try using that. It's pretty cool. Now it can be hard to measure around the circle. This is the challenge and why we've got the string. Okay, and you can imagine trying to measure around my piece of paper is challenging as well. So don't do that. You can measure your diameter with the ruler or your app, and then take the original object and wrap the string around it. Take one end, hold it on the object, wrap it all the way around nice and tight. And when you get to the other side, try to carefully figure out where they meet. I'm going to pinch the string there. I'm going to let go of the end of the string, but I'm not going to let go of the other. Now this is the distance around that tape measure, and I can measure that again using the ruler. I'm being careful not to let go, and I'm going to measure from the end right to the end of the ruler. Okay, it looks like it's about 215 millimeters. And now you know how to measure circumference. Thank you. When you're totally finished this exercise, you should end up with something that looks like this.